Hi, I'm Steve Quillian, the General of the Artisan Army, and I know that you've been waiting for our next video. Well, wait no more, because it's coming right up after this. We got to go to Tampa Steel and get some pre-cut weights because we have to make weight today. And not like a diet. You know.
Sounds like a pretty heavy subject.
It's a very heavy subject, very heavy.
Steve, hit me with your best 3 weight punch.
Oh man, I can't do it like off the cuff. I mean, it's got to like be like, you know, you have to wait around for a little bit. You know? I mean, to do something weighty like that? Ah, wow. Well, I think it would be worth the wait, you know, to be able to do that. It would take a while though, so give me some time. And I'll give you 3 weight puns. For the house we're currently working on over in St. Petersburg, we've got a little cottage that we're upgrading all the windows. We removed all of the old aluminum replacements that they put in there, and when we opened some of them up, some of the frames were gone, some of the weights were gone, and so we had to remake all those parts, and that's what these are. Yeah, so we just took that big old window out. Now we're going to change the ropes out. There's a little door right here that comes off. We're going to re-rope these pulleys here. Okay. So this, bam, got this guy here. Oh man, I've got this epic antique screwdriver that would have been perfect for this. It's in my car, but oh well. So look, now I'm gonna get this guy off here. Okay, and inside of here, there should be some weights. Oh yeah, see, look at that. Bam, ha. Oh yeah, see, look at that. These guys are old. Yeah. All right, let's put this guy out. Oh, well, that's why we're changing the ropes. All right, so, I mean, they don't last forever. I mean, 50 years isn't bad, right? So that goes there. There we go. Oh yeah, look, this is cool. Look, it's even got the blue dots on there. So I suspect that that's like one of the original cords. That's like the Samson Strong cord there that we use. It's blue. This is blue dot. I have to look that up. But what we use now is called red dot. You know, hey, can you give me some rope, Salim? That new stuff. There you go. I'm gonna take this end here. Okay. Like this is the red dot that we normally use. All right. I'm just gonna cut some to length right here. Do a couple of these guys. I'll do 4 of them. Okay. Boom. 4 lengths because I'm gonna do 4 change outs. Take my knife, cut it. All right, you can have it, Salim. All right, and then there we go. So it's real simple. All I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to tie these knots in the end. That's important because when I run the rope through, I don't want the knot that I'm putting in here will stop it from going all the way through. So that's what's next. Ha ha ha. Boom. So Salim, have you seen this happen yet? Okay, so like, so this is what's this is like one of the first things you do always, right? Is you re-rope the windows. So that way, if you've got a window to put back in there, you've got the weight mechanism just already set up, ready to go, right? So I'm gonna put this here, and hopefully I don't need a what I need, Sosa? A mouse.
Mouse.
Oh,
Yeah,
look, he got it
yeah,
before
yeah,
you.
yeah, he did, yeah.
Oh man, you got a mouse, huh? So let's see. See if this comes all the way down. Oh, there it is. Boom. Okay. Okay, and then I'll take my weight here. They've just been waiting around in there, you know, for who knows how long. So
They've been waiting around.
yeah, waiting around. Get it? Yeah. I know.
Hey, man, that thing comes
So
from, yeah.
I'm gonna do what's called a figure eight. Okay, where I go around, pull it like that. Oh yeah, there we go. So I might need that. So boom, and then I'm just gonna take it, pull it back in the opening there. Life is good. Okay, boom. Okay, and this one here, I'll take the. Why don't you do it, Sully? You know, see if you can get it in there. So you take that rope and run it through that pulley. Okay. All right. You'll see why we might need a mouse. All right, so go ahead and take it out. This, I can see you're getting stuck. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna modify the approach a little bit. I'm gonna take this piece of blue tape, stick it right there. Where's that chain you had? Okay, this little piece of chain here is what we call a mouse, all right? And I think Sosa ganked this off of an old window that we had laying around the shop, you know? So good for Sosa. So take a piece of tape like this. I'm gonna put these chain and the rope end for end. You see that, Salim? Like that. I'm just gonna roll it up, okay? All right, there we go. See? Boom. See, it doesn't take up any extra space. You don't want to overlap it because then it might not go through this hole. I'll let you do the next one. How's that? Okay. So then this one goes like that. And what that chain does, it acts like a weight. Okay? It should act like a weight. And hold on. It should just go all the way down. Okay? And I can hear it. Oh, there it is. See? And that blue tape, oops. Well, I pulled it off prematurely. There. So that lets you get it out. All right. And then, here you go. You want to do a figure eight? Okay, so what you do on that, okay, when you hold it, hold the, this is the tail, hold the tail right there, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to let the weight kind of hang. All right, see how you have the tension on it? Take your left thumb and pinch it right there. Now, pull it up some more. Pull the tail through some more. There you go, okay? Give yourself some room. Now go all the way around, okay? And then come in the back side. Then you pull that tail and the weight toward your hips. There you go. That tightens it, cinches it down. Excellent, okay? And then pull that knot right there. You can pull it up in the hole. There you go, just let it down. Life is good. Isn't that great?
Yes, sir.
All right, so then, of course, we put the door back on like this. Then you're done. Okay. Excellent. So you're going to want to tune in next week to see the conclusion of this wonderful St. Petersburg Cottage House window upgrade. It's going to be the best you've ever seen. Ta-da!